Since the inception of the additive manufacturing industry, Russell Finex has offered market-leading solutions for powder bed 3D printing technologies. Our award-winning AMPro range leads the industry with hundreds of global installations, from startups to full-scale production. The range has been carefully designed to address key industry challenges, such as minimizing manual handling, ensuring material containment, increasing productivity, and safeguarding powder quality. The Russell AMPro Sieve Station Connect boasts the industry's most advanced powder convey and sieve system. It offers optimal powder recovery, prevention of cross-contamination, maximum operator safety. It can be used to guarantee the quality of virgin powders ready for use and to automate the requalification, recovery, and reuse of unused powder. The Russell AMPro Sieve Station's Connect concept has two key components: modular architecture and software connectivity. Modular architecture offers plug-and-play functionality for easy scale-up, while software connectivity allows for plant communication protocols such as OPC UA and data logging for process optimization and validation. Its operating system has been significantly enhanced, featuring a large 10-inch HMI touchscreen and intuitive graphical user interface for easy operation and monitoring both locally and remotely. Combining our patented Russell SmartFlow technology and powder monitoring gives you full visibility and control of the process. Compliant to both EU and US regulations, the system is designed to provide maximum operator safety with its automated inertization system, safeguarding the quality of the powder. If you are looking for a way to improve your powder handling process, the Russell AMPro Sieve Station Connect is the perfect solution for you.